Good evening and welcome to Mcwistic race team headquarters. At the moment we have a young dynamic team on the field with the aka Steve Mcwistic Raybold and little Lee Whittingham tearing the track up, and here he comes right now. Let's just get a picture of this. As you can hear, folks, a real whiz on the throttle. Let's just have a look at the track, close in detail here. Now, we have a left-hander, just starting to make himself a berm here, notice, which takes it down to the back straight, and this has got a few whoops and a jump inside of it, but this jump actually is quite a... I'll just run up here so we can see the lift off and the jump as Lee approaches it. Here he comes now. Oh, what a beauty! We'll stay here for another lap, I think, folks. Of course, he's trained by his father, the great Robin Whittingham, on a 250 CRF 250 Honda. Only started racing the year before last, and he's also a schoolboy karting champion. This boy is only 12 years old. Here he comes again, look. Oh, absolute splendid little jump. We'll move around a bit more now, the track, folks. Of course, if he gets it wrong, he ends up in there. The great River Gowie, flowing its way to the North Sea, or somewhere like that. And we go along the jump, the last bit of a right-hand kink here, and then it took a couple of tracks previously made. Then a little bit tricky there. If you get cross-threaded there, you could end up in a bit of a mess there. Here comes Lee now, shows how it's done. No, that's not how it's done, folks. I said, let's see Lee now as he takes this track. And there you are, folks. Mr. Whittingham. Are you okay, sir?
Yeah.
I'll just stop the film.